Alright guys, exciting news sa global server. Tank role ni Flowborn is finally dropping and yep, malupit siya. Naku, medyo bago ka pa sa game or curious lang, si Flowborn is a multi-role customizable hero. Literally, pwede mong i-edit lahat. Gender, skin tone, damit, accessories. Parang gumagawa ka ng MMO character pero pang MOBA. Pero ang tunay na star ng show, yung 5 roles built into one hero. Marksman, check. Next in line, tank, and that's what we're diving into today. Let's start with the passive. Dito pa lang makikita mo na kung gaano ka-flexible si Flowborn. Sa base pa lang, you can draw flow, which gives you extra HP, 300 to 600, scaling with your level. Tapos pipili ka ng isa sa 4 na bonus stats para sa buong game. Depende kung anong trip mo o kung anong kailangan ng team. Vitality, dagdag physical at magic defense. Piercing, extra physical attack kung gusto mong masakit din kahit tank. Swiftness, dagdag movement speed pang ikot at habol. Concentration, cooldown reduction para makapag-spam ka ng skills. Kung baga, pipili ka kung gusto mong mas tanky, mas mabilis, or mas makulit sa skills. Love the flexibility, and during combat, you use those flow stacks to empower your basic attacks. May bonus damage na, may heal pa, kaya kahit simpleng basic attack may silbi. Next up, Convergence aka Skill 1. Ito yung parang recharge button mo, bigyan ka agad ng 5 flow stacks, cut mo cooldowns in half, and may healing din. Pero here's the trick, kapag ginamit mo siya near allies or minions, mas madaming flow at mas malaking heal ang makukuha mo. Max of 9 stacks total. Kaya kung magpaparamdam ka sa teamfight, make sure na may kasamang tropa o wave para mas sulit ang skill na to. Power from within. Ito na ang heart ng Flowborn CC combo. First cast, knockback. Second, short knockup. Third, longer knockup. And here's the clutch part. If the skill is off cooldown and you have 4 flow stacks, you can cast it instantly, no cooldown. That's your ticket to chain crowd control. Sa madaling sabi, huwag mong pahingay ng kalaban. Let's talk about the ultimate, all in. Lulundag si Flowborn sa area with AoE damage and knockback. Pero kapag tinamaan mo sila sa center, may plus 50% extra damage. Again, if may 5 flow stacks ka and the ult is ready, you can cast it without triggering cooldown. Imagine the possibilities. 2 ult sa isang teamfight? Yes, please. Just remember, walang flow, wala kang combo. So manage your stacks well and don't engage ng empty. Best roles and meta fit. Role-wise, bagay si Flowborn sa Clash Lane, Roam, and surprisingly, Jungle. Jungle Flowborn is actually strong right now. Ang bilis mag-clear, solid pang gank, at makunat. Perfect fit sa current tank jungle meta. Ang dami mong options. Initiate, soak damage, set up kills, or izu yung kalaban with non-stop CC. Pwede mong i-adjust depende sa game flow. That's it! Yan ang full breakdown ng bagong Flowborn tank role. Not your typical tank to ha, may combos, may sustain, may crowd control galore. Kung gusto mo ng hero na kaya mag-initiate at magdala ng laban, this one's for you. So anong tingin nyo? Clash lane ba siya para sa'yo? O jungle main ka rin tulad ko? Drop your thoughts sa comments. Gusto ko makita builds nyo and kung paano nyo gagamitin si Flowborn. And syempre, kung nag-enjoy ka sa guide na to, don't forget to like, share, and follow. Mas marami pa tayong hero breakdowns, tips, at guides na parating. Salamat sa panonood and as always, GG, well played. Kita-kits sa susunod na video. Peace out!